It doesn't matter if you live in an apartment with a modest balcony or a suburban home with a generous deck and yard. There are dozens of affordable ways to spruce up your space. Create a relaxing oasis that you'll look forward to enjoying with a glass of cool lemonade and a book. Use these simple tips to quickly transform whatever size space you're working with just in time for enjoying the nice weather and entertaining this summer. 1. Potted plants. An easy win to make your outside space beautiful is by including a variety of potted plants. Not only will this bring lush greenness to your space, but any of those flowers will bring happy pops of color. Try varying the size and height of the plant containers on your patio or porch to stimulate the eye. To achieve different heights for your plants, you could install a trellis to encourage plants with vines that like to climb. Hanging baskets will also bring an element of height. Plants vary in price, but some could even supply you with delicious fruits and veg, depending on your location. 2. Water feature. While a fountain might not be the most cost-effective option, a bird bath would bring water to your outside space and encourage winged friends to visit. Bird baths range in price, depending on their material, with stone being more pricey and plastic being more budget-friendly. These will be a beautiful addition to your outside sanctuary, and the local wildlife will thank you for it. 3. Outdoor furniture. Depending on your space, your patio or porch could include comfortable outdoor furniture. This could range from a bistro table for two to a sofa and chairs, or a complete dining set. If you have a large space, it could be all of them. Try looking on resale sites to find used furniture to save on cost. Also, buying secondhand is good for the environment since all the energy and resources that go into creating the items have already been used. Outdoor furniture will also allow versatility in dining at alfresco, even if it's just a small bistro table. 4. Cozy cushions and throw pillows. To complement the outdoor furniture, try adding cozy cushions and throw pillows to your outside space. Not only will they add a degree of comfort, but these can also be easily updated each year if you want to change the look of your patio or porch without buying all new furniture. Again, look on resale sites to find some great deals. To keep your cushions and pillows in great shape, store them inside over the colder months and during heavy rain. 5. Outdoor rug. An outdoor rug can really tie an outside space together. It will be comfortable for barefoot summers and can also add a degree of neutrality or bold color to your patio or porch. If your outdoor space is large, you could use multiple rugs to help define different areas. Ensure that the rug you choose is suitable for outdoor conditions. Like the pillows and throws, it should be stored inside during the colder months and heavy rain. 6. Fire pit. For those long summer nights, why not consider a fire pit to add ambience and warmth to your outdoor space? While a fire pit may seem like an expensive element, some budget-friendly tabletop options are under $50. Depending on your chosen type, you can even roast marshmallows over it. 7. Lighting. If a fire pit isn't sufficient for your outdoor area, consider enhancing your space with outdoor lanterns or string lights as an alternative or complementary option. Lights will add a functional element to evenings spent outside and ensure a cozy atmosphere. You could even try repurposing lights used during the holiday season to save on cost. Looking to be environmentally friendly? Try solar-powered lights. 8. Curtains. Try adding curtains or drapes to your patio or porch to ensure privacy and relief from the sun. Like the outdoor rug, the curtains can add a pop of color or neutrality to your space. Curtains may also offer some protection against pesky insects, like mosquitoes. A large outdoor umbrella could also be an option if a curtain isn't suitable. 9. Swing or hammock. Try adding a hammock or swing to your patio or porch for added comfort. This will provide additional seating and be the perfect place to read your favorite book. It may even lead to a midsummer snooze. There are many styles available, including hammocks for lying down or chairs for sitting upright. Some are under $30, so this is a very budget-friendly addition. 10. Textures and colors. You can keep your outdoor space lively and interesting by including a range of textures, materials, and colors. Mixing wood, metal, wicker, fabric, bright colors, and neutrals provides visual interest to your space. Don't be daunted to embrace bold colors, especially during the summer months. 11. Drink station. To ensure your host's status remains on top, why not consider a drink station for your patio/porch? This could be something as simple as a cocktail cart. You can find these for as low as $35. The cocktail cart, designed to hold drinks, offers extra tiers for snacks. When idle, it can elegantly display your potted plants. For an enhanced evening ambience, consider adorning the cart with string lights. 12. Outdoor art. If your outdoor space features a wall or pillar, why not hang some outdoor art to stimulate the eye? Options such as stained glass, metal wall sculptures, or canvas art pieces can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your space. Whatever art you choose, ensure that it can withstand the elements outside. You could also consider using mirrors to make your patio or porch appear larger. 13. Bird feeders. While this may not be the most stylish element, it will attract local wildlife, which is a natural beauty of its own. Many different types and styles of bird feed are available, including hummingbird feeders. If this interests you, you may want to research which types of birds are found in your area so you can encourage local wildlife and address their needs. 14. Storage benches. Storage benches may sound a bit boring, but they can offer additional seating and a place to add a different texture or color. If you're really artsy, you could even paint one yourself. The storage benches will also offer added protection for some of your extra outdoor soft furnishings when not in use. 15. Barbecue. Who doesn't love a delicious meal from the barbecue? Some barbecue can now be found for under $100, tabletop, and many larger, well-known brands are sold secondhand. Including a barbecue in your outdoor space will allow you to savor those long summer nights with the perfect summer meal. 16. Customized flooring. Depending on your patio or porch flooring, you could replace it with tiles, vinyl or ceramic, or incorporate mosaic tiles for little pops of color. You could paint your existing flooring or use stick-on outdoor tiles for a more budget-friendly option. This will allow you to make bold changes without too much effort. 17. Hot tub. Depending on your budget and space, you could consider including a hot tub in your outdoor area. Inflatable options are available for less than $350, so you can find hot tubs to suit your budget. Keep an eye out for sales, too. Experts say the best time to buy a hot tub is late August, October, particularly Labor Day weekend. 18. Giant beanbag chair. Another way to add extra comfortable and fun seating is to use a giant beanbag. These beanbags often come in bright, bold colors and are a taste of youth. Priced as low as $55, kids and adults alike will relish the comfort of these squishy seating options. The family pet may also claim it as their own throne in your outdoor space.